like a plane landing. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for quite some time. I'm here to try to get back into the swing of things and hopefully bring you some new content that is interesting and that I'm excited about. As you can tell by the title of today's video, it will be about a new beauty device that I will be trying out. This is the Foreo UFO device. It came out a couple years ago, I believe, and I honestly did not hear much about it except that it was crazy expensive. And for me, hearing that something's crazy expensive is an automatic no, I'm not gonna try that, maybe ever. And the only reason that I am able to try this now is because there was a crazy good deal on Black Friday that someone from Reddit came across and shared it with everyone. So shout out to that person for sponsoring this video. Not really. This device, which I have here, retails for, drumroll, $270. What? This part's pretty shiny. Maybe it's made out of solid gold, hopefully. At that price, there was no way I was ever gonna consider getting this. I mean, maybe on an attending physician's salary, but come on. Anyway, on Black Friday, there was I believe it was actually a glitch that led to this being priced just under $10. $10, you guys. So of course I was gonna take advantage of it. The only snafu was that you could only get free shipping at $50. You already know that what I did was try to find $40.10 more worth of stuff on those websites. And what I ended up getting was a bunch of the pre-made masks that they make. So a few of these. These are actually quite expensive, which is another reason why people didn't really latch onto this product, both because the device and the things that are required to use them are pretty expensive. Each of these runs somewhere in the range of $10 to $20. Grabbed enough of them to get me over the shipping minimum, and here we are. And if you've watched some of my other previous beauty videos, you'll know that I really like trying weird beauty devices and products, so this was right up my alley. And I noticed that because this wasn't that popular of a product, there weren't that many reviews on YouTube yet, so I decided I'll make my own. I also already have an actual product from Foreo that I've been using for several years. This is the Luna Mini. I use it to clean my face. I've probably used it almost every day for the last 3.5 years, and I still love it. It's still going strong and it works great. This is a brand I more or less trust or have had good experiences with in the past. One of the cool things, and maybe it's cool, maybe it's actually really annoying, is that you have to use this with an app. And I'll do screen recording to show you that you go to the App Store, you type in Foreo, and you get this app. Once you download it, you do have to sign up for an account and you connect the device via Bluetooth. I do have to get this opened up first, so let me do that. This thing is so hard to open. I'm like breaking the case as I'm opening it. Glamour shot here, and also check out my nails, guys. I tried dip powder nails for the very first time and chose this amazing rose gold sparkle. And here's the back of it. Port to charge, and I think this must be an on button. This part comes out like this, and this is actually what holds the mask in place. When I was looking at pictures of this, the whole time I thought this was the side that was going to be on your face. There was something special about like the cool design of this grating. Looks a little bit like a speaker, like a Bluetooth speaker. I don't know if this has anything to do with it. I haven't seen anybody using it on their demonstration videos. Okay, let's go back to the app here. We're gonna add our device. UFO, there it is. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at it light up. Okay. Register. When did you buy your device? Do I have to? I guess I have to register it to. Okay. Okay, so it needs to use the camera to take a picture of what I'm gonna do. Which one do I want to do right now? I think we're gonna actually do the H2 overdose because I'm feeling a little dry right now. So this is what they look like. And on the back, they actually have this barcode, which you use the app to scan to put in the specific program that goes with this mask. Ooh, so lots of goo in there along with the mask. And so the mask is really not much. It's this tiny sheet. So we're gonna get this scanned. There we go. Ooh.
To your device by clipping the attachment ring into place. with the Foreo logo facing up.
Okay, it's talking to me. Looks like from the app you're supposed to lay it on here with there's like this little tab on one side of it, and you're supposed to align that like so that the tab fits into this notch. We're gonna put this plastic ring to secure it, like so. Oh, did I put it upside down? Yeah, I did. There we go. This is what it looks like when it's on. You're ready to start.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide
Okay,
UFO across
so this is
your
what it looks
face
like
and
now.
neck, distributing mask essence evenly.
Circular motions.
As you begin to relax, focus your attention on the gentle warmth, preparing your
Thermotherapy.
skin to receive a high dose of moisture.
Nice. That's what it needs. Oh, this is getting real warm. Wow. Oh. Oh. So, wow. It has some vibration action, if you can hear that.
With the addition of T-sonic pulsations, this warming facial massage ensures maximum penetration of hyaluronic acid for long-lasting hydration.
I think it says neck as well. Wore the wrong shirt for this, obviously. This actually feels really nice, you guys. Like, it's just, the warmth was a little bit jarring at first, but you know, you quickly get used to it. It's very spa-like. Oh, now it's green. See that? Is this like a cool down?
Soothing T-sonic pulsations combine with green LED light to help even out your skin tone.
Yeah, I could use a little bit of that, so great. And I think the sonic pulsations seem to have gotten a little slower.
Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed.
It's like implying that I don't already feel refreshed, but I will as soon as this ends. Which I feel like I'm more refreshed when it's ongoing. I think that's it. Yeah? Huh. Okay.
Your smart mask treatment
There it
is
is.
now complete. If you'd like, you can repeat the treatment. Otherwise, dispose of the UFO activated mask and rinse your device under running water.
I actually think off camera I'll do this again, but I will put the rest of this like hyaluronic acid juice on here so that I can use this all up, because there's a lot of goodness left in this packet. Look at all that. That's like a whole nother mask on there. All right, we are refreshed and we are back. And before I wrap up, I'm just gonna do my favorite new trick, which is to take this awesome, beautiful fan that's completely unnecessary, but necessary, if you know what I mean, and just dry everything off. Shout out to Patrick Ta for making this beautiful product. So like I mentioned before, one of the really annoying things about this device is that you have to use it with the app. Like you can't just, it won't just go on its own. It requires you to scan a barcode every time you use it. So in that regard, the only way to use it is to keep buying their masks that are a little bit on the pricey side. I was reading around online and people were talking about saving these packets when you use them so that you can use the barcode. So that's a nice little hack that I found. And there are plenty of people who have posted about making their own little mask disc. Lots of workarounds around the one kind of annoying thing about this product. Overall, I will say that that was a really pleasant experience. I really like that it's a little bit like guided meditation that it leads you through. Kind of like a nice little like spa moment. This is not gonna be something that appeals to a lot of people because of the price point. But I gotta say, facials are really expensive. Now, this is not gonna be as thorough as going to an esthetician for an actual facial, but it kind of replicates a little bit of that experience. And it is a pretty cool device if you really think about it. Like, it has all these sorts of different features. There's different colored lights it uses heat, and I think there's also cooling function. It has the vibration going, which I will say the vibration function feels a lot like the vibration sensation from their cleaning devices. So if you're already used to these, the vibration will not be as jarring for this. In no way, shape, or form am I recommending that you go out and buy this, because at regular price it costs a crap ton of money and it's just not really necessary for most people. But if a deal like this one ever comes along again, I think it's worth checking out, even if you have to spend a little bit of money on these masks. And that about sums it up. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if there's other cool products that you think might be fun for me to try. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment to let me know what you thought of this video. But until next time, I will see you then.